Because I hold my ears.
I'm facing away from you and it's not really that loud.
Yeah, he's just saying stuff.
Zoo. That is kind of popular.
Zoo, not zoo. Zoo.
That's where we walked through, and it was a zoo.
It's our lookout again.
It's our lookout again.
Okay, just stop. Wipe your mouth.
Hurley.
What?
Hurley.
No, this is
Oh,
called
motorcycle.
Wait, what?
Oh, wow.
No, police.
What? A police? Wait, what?
A policeman. No. Policeman. No. That's only no down and down.
Alright, stay on your bottoms. Don't let the floaty fly out.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your first time riding in a truck bed.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes. Very excited.
Me too.
It's a lot like a ride at the fair.
What?
It's a lot like a ride at the fair.
Yeah. I see that. Especially pulling out. It's weird. My yurts.
My yurt.
Have you ever thought my yurts kind of look like pencils?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they do.
It's just a really fat pencil.
No, really fat.
A queso pencil.
Yeah, it's a queso pencil.
Yeah,
It's the pencils that queso
They're like
uses.
mini queso pencils.
Yeah. This queso's too huge. No, queso's pencil is slow.
I'm going super fast. I can
Why not General Grant?
I can run this fast.
Why isn't this?
Emma, there's our lookout.
Oh, yeah, our lookout!
Our lookout.
Our lookout is over there by
Why
those
is
big
queso
poles.
pencil the biggest tree on earth? General Grant.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, General Grant.
Yeah, his crayons are silver.
Oh, she's getting pics.
These are those crayons.
Yeah?
What does he use them for?
Because on the fat planet, he's 2.
Oh, look at their camp trailer.
No, I'm 4.
Whoa.
It's a pop-up.
Cool.
Are we here?
Almost.
Yeah, we're just gonna go down here.
Okay.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Is this legal? Oh, you needed a seatbelt.
Half of my not like it, but we do.
Yeah, there ain't no problem. Hey, Mason, look, it's your yurt.
Oh yeah. The only problem is the only people
They don't really have those
saw his yard.
Eddie? Hey, Eddie! We're in a truck.
Hey, Eddie! We're in a truck. The bed of a truck.
Yeah. Hey guys! That was fun. Hi, Mom.
No, it goes like this.
She was yelling at you.
It's so deep I can't even like rock hold me up. Pearl, honey, walk. Pearl. The current is so strong. So hard. Dad, can I take off my shirt because I'm like fully in the water?
You gotta sunscreen your body then. Ask
Did
Mom.
anybody bring any sunscreen? Nothing, so I'm gonna use.
I'm coming to you now. I'm coming to
I probably won't.
I did W instead.
This wall is like W.
So like
This
for
wall
right?
doesn't
Wait,
go-
instead of saying R, kids are just like W.
No, so like when I tried to say right, I said
You
W.
W.